Hi, my name is Santakun, and I hope everybody know already. I would like to talk about the residential trip in Edinburgh. Um, that trip is my first time to Edinburgh, and I quite excited about it. And I have seen different culture from different part of UK, and also know what people life in there. I have learned how did they do the marketing strategy in each company compared with other, and some company did a good presentation and some not really that good. So that can be a good experience for me, and but I also gain about life. Yeah, life is a competition. From Monday to Thursday, we went to visit different company. Each company teach me that never stop developing about the company and also about yourself. In our class, we have about 33 students, I think, and I know maybe half of them, and some students I never talked before. However, this tip made my relationship with another student very well, because since we got on the train, we start to talk to everybody, and we took picture everybody, and also when we got there at night, we go and have dinner with our friend. I mean, like, with everybody, so get to know each other better. And after the dinner, we went to the a club or pub, and when we kind of like tipsy, we began to talk more to each other and get to know each other better. And for our teacher, I think for me, I talk to them more. I think so. Yeah, in class, and yeah, I enjoy having them along with us. I feel like they are more friend, not the teacher. And yeah, Soup Binder. Maybe he thought that maybe we have too much free time, so he gave us a presentation on Friday, and on Thursday we have to like prepare it at night, and we have to stay until like 3 a.m. for my group, because we like too nervous. My first expectation was that I thought the trip would make me interact with my fellow student and develop some skill, and yes, I got it. And and also for this residential trip, I have learned a lot about marketing strategy in different company. How can they be successful, and also some skill I think I can use it when I'm in class. And the presentation on Friday is also make me improve and make me feel better. Uh, so for the next presentation, I think I will be less nervous. I will think I like could do. Uh, I mean, like, I could make my presentation better than that one. Yeah, I think the residential trip is, I think, is already organized good for me. Yeah? I Everybody enjoy it, but if I could add something, maybe I could add more about activity. Maybe we should do some more activity after, when I mean like when we finish with the company in the afternoon, could like do some activity, like fun activity together with all the students. And yes, and that is I want to say thanks you to Sukhbinder, Mark, Helen, and Paul for making this trip happen and fun, and thank you for taking care of all the students. Everybody enjoy it, and yes, that's it. Bye.